We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for eastern Wise and northwestern Denton County until 7:45. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over the town of Paradise, or 7 miles southeast of Bridgeport, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a tornado warning, a radar-indicated rotation. Flying debris can be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes can be damaged or destroyed. People in northwestern Denton County need to take shelter immediately. Same thing for northeastern Wise County. This storm will be near Decatur by 7:15 and approaching the western Denton County community of Crum by 7:45. Other locations in the path of this storm include Ponder, Stony, Bolivar, Slidell, and Cottondale. Once again, a tornado warning has been issued for eastern Wise County and for northwestern Denton County until 7:45. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Paradise, 7 miles southeast of Bridgeport, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. People in the area need to take shelter immediately. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.